Go press, Vivan. Watch the ball and tackle, Vivan. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. That's the reason I told. Watch the ball. Vivan, what is that, Elian? Our ball. Take our ball. Take our ball. Elian, Vivan. No casual game. Hey, Darshit Toli. Darshit, go take. Hey, go up there. Elian, go up there. Vivan, go. Cedric. Vivan, what kind of kick is it? Go, Elian. Play back to him. Shoot. Same.
Play short, like this three.
Guys, play that. You can play better. Come on.
Nishan.
Go, Elian. Leave. Arra, Dakshit, play. Come, Arra, take. Dakshit, go in. Elian, go in. Vivan, go into the ring. Go, jog. And I say, go. Hey, kick the ball hard. Then nothing is going to happen. Keep it low. Keep it low and hard. Kick the ball hard. Kick hard. Hey.
Now come back.
Why will I ask next? I'll ask someone else to kick. Mark your man. Yeah, press. Go, Dakshit. Hey, win the ball, man. You're giving the ball back to them.
Go, bring down the ball. Come back.
Varghese, go for.
Hey, be behind him, Arav. Good.
Again, stay. Mark your man. Afrimaya, come back. Indeba. Dakshit, active. Elian, your ball. Elian, go. Watch the ball and tackle, Elian. Come. Arav, go.
Fine, go, play.
Go. Elian, go. Pass. Hey, see there, man. Play, Elian. Elian, play. Elian, you're not playing. Running, Elian. Play, Elian. Go. Play, Elian.
Be active.
Hey, give him inside.
Guys, we can play better, Elian. You're jogging there. Pass, man. Adam, munde.
Come Ado.
Go, Ivan.
Good one, Nishan.
Elian, you're walking, Elian.
Go, play.
Elian, hey, you play. Take it out. Watch, take it in.
Varghese,
Good, go.
Varghese down.
Go, Elian. Elian, played. It's our game, Elian. Now you're dreaming that is happening. Go. Shoot. Pass.
Good one, Jitu. Well done to keep it.
Vivan, you need to finish that.
Karthik, don't come in.
Hey, we are playing that play. That don't need such balls. अपने वो सपन बढ़ोगे. Hey, Dakshit. Pass. Shoot. बढ़ो.
Go.
Again. Go, Arav. Leave and take. Ball. Elian, pass to Arav. Be Arav only. Arav. Hey, pass him. Shoot that. Take it up and shoot. Shoot quick. On the goal. Hey, goal, man. Go back now. Lucky goal there. Hey, guys, play that. Guys, you have to play. Elian, Vivan, I want you to finish goals there. Go. See there. Where are you running blindly? Hey, Milan, play now. Hey, Milan, play, man. Hey, Vivan. Milan, play, Milan. You can play better, Milan. Okay, keep charge. Darshik, in the bar.
Aryan, go. Let's go, Abhijit.
Vivan, mark on that. Go, clear the ball and play. Now pass and play. Dakshit, now pass your play. Elian, he can play that. Wake up. Elian, don't do that.
Arya, Jitu.
Go, Vivan.
Kick the ball in. Kick hard. Go, Vivan. You're watching the game. Vivan. Hey, Vivan. Hey, Vivan. The ball is.
Keep the ball again.
You just went in, not in 2 minutes.
Come in, no.
Hey, Arav, wait. Darshik, central bar. Apne mein Rako. Go down, Milan. Move that Milan.
Good one, Jitu.
Milan, play. Hey, Darshik, in the ball. Go win the ball. Go. Take it out, cross. Take it, okay. Hey, the ball is going. Hey, be ready, da. Move, get up. Get up.
Varghese.
Hey, Dakshit, you'll get the ball.
Varghese.
Go for the ball. Okay, come, Dakshit, take. Wait, one, near the one. You take the kick. Okay, keep this side. Wait here, watch it. Keep it low on the goal. Chest level. Wait, let Arav take. You go. Arav, come take. Keep it low on the goal. Hey, we are dreaming. We're gonna come out. Kick hard. Dakshit, run. Again, Vivan.
Go, Karthik, go.
Vivan, nidde maarte. Vivan, play, man.
Ishan, give him up, sir.
Kick this, shoot. Vivan, what are you doing?
Go.
Hey. What? Come stand in front of the ball. Dakshit. Quick, you come. By the time, see that. Kick the ball. Be ready for that. Come in front of the ball. Quick, later you can adjust. You go back. Go back. Hey, upper man. India go. Hey, Milan.
Left. Up.
You standing. No, you standing. Dakshit, play, man. One goal is not enough for us. Hey.
Dakshit, go take.
Upper man, ನೀನು ತಗೋ. Hey, Dakshit, ಹಾಕು. Dakshit, stay. Receive. You have to be quick. I'm not going to tell all those things.
Aryan.
You guys need to think and plan. Pass. Dakshit, ref. Oi, you need to think. Dakshit, take the shot. It's an indirect free. It's an indirect free kick.
Go inside the defense.
It's an indirect free kick. Indirect.
Dakshit.
Karthik, man behind you.
Go back. Wait, Dakshit. Oi, Dakshit, listen to the referee, man.
Keep the man in front.
Hey, what are you dreaming there? Arav, go, be ready.
Dakshit.
Hey, pass la ball. Shoot, man. Go, Vivan. What are you watching? Fall back, Dakshit. Fall back. Guys. Go, Dakshit.
Last.
Hey, guys.
How can you take your time? There's no one there.
Hey,
Again.
play now. Think and play. See the screen situation. Act accordingly. Come back now. Think and play, Elion. Come on, Elion. Watch the ball. Go for the ball. That's it. Run. Rush. You have to win the ball. What's the use going there?
Aryan, give him up, sir.
Elion, come back, Elion. Tackle, Elion. I don't want you to just walk. Yes, good. Pass to everyone now. Vivan, pass. Send it. Vivan, run. Hey, ref, change ref. Vivan out. Come on. Go.
Pass, release the ball.
What's your problem? Come here. Tell me what's your problem. Tell me. You can't receive and play. You can't receive. First match you play, but what happened? Your dad is going to make you stop playing. Is that okay? Then receive and play a jumping. You don't know how to receive. Win Madi Arvi. Shoot. Rebound. Keep it on the goal. When he's shooting, hey, Roshi, Munda go. Hey, Dakshit played. Win the ball. Don't try to give the ball to them. Go, cover. Press there only. You'll get the ball. Elian, you'll get the ball. Elian, move that side. He's throwing that side. You have to go. You have to know.
Go, Elion.
What do you? Adra. Shoot. Hey, Elian, you should know. Press there only. Win the ball there only. Roshi, do it. Go, Elian. Go, Apramaya. Go. Hey, Raymond. Hey, you'll come outside now.
You guys are not
ನೀನು
communicating.
ಆಡ ಫಸ್ಟು ಗೋ ರಶೀದ್ ಹೋಗು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಆಚೆ ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಏಯ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ದರ್ಶಿತ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
Aryan, communicate now. One of them.
come fast. If you're playing like this, they will score. They're not playing. We have to utilize that. If you want to utilize it, no. Go play.
Aryan, go.
Go run. ಅವ್ರು ಆಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಆಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ See there. Receive now. Stop. Turn. Kick the ball in. Good. Come for the ball. Roshan. Hey, what? They're getting beaten so easy. Hey, Apramaya.
Right. Aryan, down.
Go, Roshan. Hey, played. Elion, play, man. They're not playing. They are playing. Ara. Elion, what first half you played now was 0 match. Hey, play. Keep the ball down on the goal. Roshan, run for the ball. Elion, run for the ball. Elion. Go. Hey, Arav, go for the corner kick. Stay there. Arav, here, wait. Apramaya, you hold it. Hey, Arav, come back. Hold it fast again. Goal ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Watch the ball. Oh, again, Alero. Arav, where are you going, Arav?
Mark. Karthik, mark.
Hey, look for the space. Don't blindly kick on the player. Look for the space.
Aryan.
Shoot. Shoot, man. Shoot, take it, action, shoot. Shoot. Again, Milan, come, kick the ball in. Kick the ball. Good, come for the ball, Rashid. What a shoot, man. Ado. Hey. Ado, Rashid. Ado. Good one. Go take the corner, Ado. Guys, Elian, play, Elian. One more goal, Elian. Team will settle down, Elian. Hey, keep it low.
Vargas. Hey, Alavi, communicate, go. Karthik, stay behind.
Go back, Arav. What are you doing, Dakshit?
Come, hey, come.
Go down, Roshit. Ball win mado. Yellow ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Ball win ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Tackled, Arav. Watch the ball. Tackle. Watch the ball.
ಯಾರು?
Watch the ball. Hey, you guys are not playing there. You're getting beaten easily.
Look.
Milan.
Karthik behind him.
Ref, change ref. Come out.
Aryan. Stay with him.
Can't stay. Hey, mark, man. Hey, Dakshit. Mark.
Last.
Quick. So much. Milan, watch. Keep an eye on him. You're not there to walk.
Play. Shot, communicate.
Hey, leader, let him take. Hey, Dakshit, you take. Go to run, Elian, run towards the ball. Elian, run towards the goal. Go. You have to go disturb. See how they're heading. Shoot again, dribble and shoot. Good try. On the goal, keep it on the goal. Elian, you have to go. What, coach? What happened now?
No communication. Come on.
You're dreaming, Elian.
Go press. Milan press. Head, go kick. Hey, play. When we play,
Keep. Eric, keep. Take your time.
Hey,
ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾರು?
where are you kicking? Boy, you're kicking again.
Shot.
Kick here. Hey, play, man.
Go Milan, go. Shoot.
See the way you're playing. Hold. Wait, throw man, hold up. Play, play, man. You guys not playing. Make a small kick, you're playing there. Play. Go. That ball, no? Hey. Play. What's the problem? Go, make a wall there. Hey, stay back, make a wall. Wait, watch. Hey, go down. Milan, active ಆಗಿರೋ ಅವ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ.
ಎప్పుడు ಛೇದ ಆಸೆ ಬಾಲ್.
ಓಡು ಬಾಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಓಡು.
ಓ ಹಾಗೆ.
Hey,
ಯಾರು? You are seeing him to receive.
hey, ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯ Go, ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯ ಹಾಕು ನೋಡು. Go for the ball. That's it, you're walking, guys. Come on, guys.
Milan, go.
Hey, ref, change ref. Elian, come up. Wanna play? Hey, Milan, play midfielder. Go play strike. Hey, what is wrong with you, Apramaya? Hey, go back. Be a physique there.
Play
Be
with
a
it.
playing
Play
there.
with it, Alex.
Go.
Let's play with Vargas.
Go, win the ball. Go, Ronak. Shoot. Good shot, Ronak. Clap for him. See there? How he's playing there. I want Dakshit to play like that. Come back. Milan, come back. Milan, come back. You're midfielder. Milan.
Go, Arif.
Play. Milan, you're a midfielder. Play. Shoot.
Good goal.
Play there. Hey,
Vargas. Go to the next shot. Come on.
play. What's your problem? Why are you not running around?
Flip it.
Then you watch.
Hey, ಆಡು.
Go up.
Darshik. Come on, come back, Darshik. Ronak, where you are going, Ronak? Milan, go.
Shoot. Hey.
Good on, Eric.
Tackle, man. Hey.
Go.
Dakshit, what is that? Milan. Wait. Hero. Lama, hero. Apramaya haku joragi. Roll man Apramaya. Stay there. Milan, go that side. You're watching me. Go. Hato hange. Dakshit hato. Dakshit go.
Karthik, delay.
Hey, Ronak.
That's it. Karthik,
You have to ask. Hey, please, man. When the
Keep
passing
the ball.
focus, then
Keep the ball.
don't
Ronak,
look
come
at me.
back. Ronak, come back.
Ronak,
come
hey,
back.
Aro, go down. Go inside. Be ready. You'll get the ball. Go. Shoot. Our ball again. You have to react quickly. Milan, you have to react quickly.
Ronak, come.
Watch the space. Look for the space.
Arif, ಎತ್ಕಣ್ಣ.
Now go. Shoot. Arav, shoot. Arav, go. Hey, Ronak, go. Come down, Milan.
Very well.
Good, Milan. Rona, you're going to come out, Rona. Rona, you're going to come out now.
Lux is free. Lux is free. Lux is free.
Rona, you're coming out now. Clear. Clear the ball hard.
Milan, come.
Tackle, madam. Go, ball ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Go. Oh, God. Clear the ball hard inside. Kick it out. Hold. Throw ball. Throw man left.
Varghese.
Go down. Go for the ball. What are you playing there? I don't know.
Control. Make it sure, sir.
Hey, ref, change ref. Milan out. Rona out. Karthik, ready. Come out. Where are you playing? What are you doing? Tell me.
Eric.
Chanting, you are scoring goals. You're running here and there. Go. Apne hogo. Go faster, hogo. Odo. Win mado. Head mado. Go.
Lux, keep the ball.
Go, Elian. Pass. Ode. Go. Go, goal minute.
Lux, take your time. Don't
What are
be.
you doing? You're getting stuck. The ball ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Go, press. Win the ball. Win the ball. Don't slide. Win the ball. Shoot. Ref, foul. What? Tell me what? Why not a foul? His tackling is good there. Watch the game, please.
Hey, Aprameyo.
Hey! Hey, smile. Stop smiling, man. Shame on you. Hey, Nippon, say mada. On yak out there. Hey, I said clear the ball and play. There's no direct goal from there. Goal now. Now it's a goal. He touched him. He touched the player. Go. Hey, play, man. It's a goal. Hey, Apramaya. ಆಡಲಿ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗೋಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಏಯ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡಲ್ಲ ನಾಚ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಯ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಏಯ್ ಏನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಶಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ Hey, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡ idea.
This is recorded, right? We have to complain. He didn't blow the whistle.
Ready?
People are
Stand there. You guys are not playing seriously. That's casual game. Apramaya, tumba casual. If you're doing this, you can come out now. Hey, Sathi, get it in. He's going to play left back. Be serious. You can play now. Release.
Fall back. Eric.
Hey, play da.
Touch it, put inside.
Hey, Apramaya. Go inside, Elian. What are you doing, Elian? His kick is... Hey! Go inside.
Come from back and
If the ball is going behind, go back and receive. Hey, Rakshit, get it. Go, press. Go! Vivan, come back. Win the ball. You need to win the ball. You need to win the ball. Corner.
No ref. How come it's a corner? Who touched the ball?
Play, see the play. Why are you holding the pad and doing the play? See the pad. Hey, watch the ball there. Go, Elian. Good, Arav. Don't let him turn. Watch the ball and tackle. Come take. Hey, man. Hey.
Hey, man, come here.
Come and receive. Now, no use. See the ball. Now, go. Ivan. Good. Go. Hey, go again. Again you go. Corner now. Again you go for the ball.
Arav.
Hey, they stay here, Arav. Hey, use your brain.
Aprameyo, help us.
Hey, Apramaya, come out. Sathi, go down. Vivan, come out.
Clear ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತ.
Hey, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ?
It's fine.
ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಬೇಡ. Go, take it back. Go. What you think, ತಮಾಷಾ? ಗೋಲ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಗೋಲ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸರ್ Go. Don't casual, seriously not there. No, seriously, go.
Target.
Clear ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sit there. Go, Elian. Pass to Rakshit. Go, pass and play. See, even your game is gone there. Play now. Don't keep tackle that up.
Hey, header.
First half, how you play? Play now. What is wrong? Come, give position, receive and play. Be active. Arav. Pass, receive, pass quickly to him. You have to be quick. Go, receive, go. Go fast. Dribble and go. Go for the rebound. See, he's leaving. I know that you have to go. Take corner. Go to Rakshit. Hey, go to Aru. Go for the corner kick. No. I can't tell. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂದು ಯಾರು ರೆಫ್ರಿ ಅವ್ನು ರೆಫ್ರಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. Hey, now think different. Ara, run from behind. Tell referee too close.
Hey, come back.
Tell referee too close. Kick the ball hard. Okay, fall back. Dakshit, come back. Elian, play Elian. I want you to win the ball and attack Elian. You have to win the ball. Come this side, Elian. This side the ball. Dakshit there. Oi, Dakshit.
Go.
Elian, you get it. Go, Arav. Kick the ball, Elian. Milan. Hey, why are you running, Milan, and telling running towards him?
Elian, hey,
What are you doing? I don't know. See, play.
Leave.
What are you doing? I don't know. Play like a player. Always will play very good. Not one match. Go, Rakshit. Inga get ball. Inga parra. Go, Dakshit, go. Elian, move that side. Elian. Dakshit, you have to win. Not a tackle, proper tackle there. You're just running behind. Good, Rakshit. Play, Elian.
Richard, too far. Eric, go inside. Okay, come on.
You're not playing anything. You will play again.
Rakshit,
You are not winning the ball. Hey,
Rakshit, hit the ball, ra.
you want to come out? Let me see. Go stand in front of the ball. Don't let them start. Elian, come back. Elian, come back.
Varghese, one more up.
Hey, why Satvik is going there?
Varghese,
Go now, run. Hey, Milan, once you play, Milan. Why are you letting the ball go? Pass it there.
Eric, play.
Good try, Eric, good try.
Alright, go back. Kick the ball in, same ball. Go. Hey,
Rakshit, go. Shoot now. Shoot.
shoot. Pass. Shoot, same ball.
Aryan,
Same ball, shoot now. Same ball you should shoot. You should know when to shoot, when not to shoot. Hey, watch Elian. Go. Where are you coming here? Go this side. Oh God.
Good one, Richard.
Hey, why are you coming towards the man? You have to go to the open space, right? Hey, look at that. Wait there. Go, Dakshit, get inside. Keep the ball hard. Milan, focus here. Go, Dakshit. Go. You need to go.
Let's go.
Shoot.
Left.
What are you?
Let's go, please. Karthik. Fine. Got it behind you.
Hey, Rakshit. Go. Take. Hey, go inside, Rakshit. Arav. Your man is here. Why are you going?
Arav, make a run. Hey, if you're just standing there, lifting your leg, you're going to come out now. If the ball is coming, you have to go back and receive. All this you have to think and play. Come on, go down. Hey, Vivan, go play. Go quick, he's coming out. You can't come out like that. You have to tell the referee and stop. Hey, your water bottle is here.
Shoot.
No, my father kept me.
Go get it then. You can't just walk out like that. Go, win the ball. You know the
Yeah.
Go.
Go.
Win the ball. Go. Kick the ball out. Good. Take like that. Play. Prove yourself. Come on.
Good
Rakshit,
game.
just standing, lifting your leg. You're going to come out.
किसी का कवर में जिनसे बॉल नहीं पेरी होगी
Go guard में. Can't shoot it out.
अच्छी को
Get ready. You're going to play a nice shoot. Hey, Nagandala,
जिनसे शॉट नहीं पेरी होनी सिर्फ हैरान
Shot, come down.
Kick the ball hard.
Come down.
Go. Win the ball. Go. Good. Tackle.
Varghese, come on.
Tackle. Good, Satvik.
Eric, pass.
Good,
Play
Milan.
with
Come on,
the
Milan.
shot.
Good, Milan. Watch the ball and tackle.
Play.
Play. Referee, what is that? Take our ball. Ready? Hey, you're not supposed to come out like that. Come outside.
डायरेक्ट शूट पे गोल दे दिया।
Ready? Hit the ball hard.
जैसे गोल हो गया ना,
Elion,
गोल हो
can you
गया।
run inside?
यहाँ से
Elion, run for the ball.
गोल हो गया,
Elion, run for the
डायरेक्ट
ball.
गोल दे दिया।
Come here.
Indirect.
That's it. Set on here. That's it. Same ball every shoot.
Hey, guys, communicate. Hey, don't be scared. Go.
Arab there. Shoot.
Delay.
Hey, Apramaya. Strike. Oh, Apramaya. Apramaya, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು. ಅಪ್ರಮಯ.
Nice.
Hey, ಹೋಗಲಿ. ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳು. ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Shot.
ಹಾಕು.
Hey, communicate, guys. Play. Shot, play.
Go, ಓಡು. ಇವಾಗ ಓಡು. Shoot. Good ball. Hey, ನೋಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ನೀನ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಓಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಪ್ರಮಯ, don't keep balling here. ಅಪ್ರಮಯ, look at me. Rebound.
Last on the left.
Take the ball.
You have to go back to the ball. Pass the ball to Arav. Alle Arav, quick again. Milan, go back, Milan. Receive. Arav, did anyone come to you now? See, those things you have to think. Right?
Arav, no, if you take the ball forward and ball.
Listen, hello. Stop playing with the ball. Always come here. Get up. Only this you're doing well. You become a ball boy. Angu kuda adida pandra. Match adikku over the ball.
Go, Arav, go.
Good, Satvik. Arav, what are you doing?
Shot.
Arav, play.
Shot inside.
Okay, man. Arav, what are you doing?
That's it.
Arav, please play, Arav. Good, Satvik. Hey, Arav, ref change. Arav, come up. Apramaya, play right back. Go. Hey, play the right back. What's your problem? Are you able to think or no?
Go,
If you like this, you can't play. Did anyone come close? You can't receive and play forward.
leave the ball.
When someone is coming, then you have to play. No?
Take the ball.
Karthik,
So, no.
communicate.
Then why are you doing this? This thing is really forward. You have to calm down, receive the ball, go up and play. Huh?
Listen.
Got so confused.
Take
These are what
the
make you play favorite.
make a
Sir,
run.
you make him play favorite position, not striking position.
Stop the ball.
Watch it, Abhi, go. Come back, William, come inside. Come inside. Apra, ikade ba. Go down. Shoot that. Go, shoot. Arra there. Arra again. That's all you have to do. Get the ball back again. Go inside, Roshan. Anna not tirbanale. Hey, the goalkeeper munde nitko. Ha. Hey, go, Apramaya. Cross. Go, Roshan. Over back.
Go, L.
Pass to Satvik. Okay.
Clear of your up.
Go, receive play. Come, you're walking there. That's start early. Now pass and play. More passes. Stand in front of the ball. Hey, come here. Baral, mark mado. Yeah.
Hey, come and then.
Apramaya. Stand there. You get the ball. Ilan, go. Don't let him dribble. Wonderful. Go, Rashid. Go. Look go. Shoot. Go. Munde go. Yaka turning go. Hey. Kick. Hey, Apramaya with you. Apramaya, go. Hey, Leon. You play very casual there.
Left.
See the casualness. Elion. Hey, Apramaya, what's the problem? Receive ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು. ಯಾಕ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Hey, wait, Dan. You go back, man. You be ready to take game shot. Dan, go set for it. Same ball, be ready to shoot, same ball. That's it, keep jogging. Run. Hey! Shoot, God. Play, Roshan. Hey, Elion, you have to set for Dakshit.
Rishan.
Hey, please, man. Elion, please play, Elion. What is wrong with you? Hey, Apramaya Ako.
Play. Shut up.
What a... Hey, Elion, too casual game. Hey, play, man, idiot.
Varghese ball.
What is wrong with you guys? Elion, play. Set for him properly. Hey, Dakshit, be ready. Wait.
Time.
Shoot. Go with the rebound. Go, rebound. It's 5-4.
Good keeping, Jisnu.
Hey, play, man. Go, Elion, go.
Ishan, go.
Too
Ishan,
casual
go.
there. Elion.
Play with luck.
Good, Satvik. Play, Elion. Hey, Elion, play, man.
Ishan, don't go.
Ole Ako. Elion, play your game.
Hey, you're playing very casually.
Play, what is wrong with you?
Let's go out.
Hey, go out, man. Don't play on.
Jisnu, left.
Hey, leave.
Jisnu, faster.
Go play.
Let's stay with him.
What can player? Go keep playing. Just that.
Arab, take it.
Hey, Vivan out. Roshit. Vivan, Eric. Play one little 5 minutes. And Elion, what is wrong, Elion? Play, Elion. You were leading 4. And 2 silly goals, Elion. Hey. Play. Wait. Kick it in. Kick. Arav, you attacking. Shoot. Pass. Where? Go, Arav.
Go. Ishan.
Play, Elion. Play, man. Hey, wait. Play properly, Arav. Come friend for the ball. Elion, come friend, Elion. Come friend, Elion, still. Okay. Clear. Hey.
Arey, Varghese.
Apramaya is watching. Satvik. Closer, Satvik.
Ishan.
Okay.
Let's inside.
He made a beautiful ball there. All the match coming outside. Tackle! Here! Go, Ivan. Go up, faster. It's okay. Kick the ball, kick hard. Go, Ivan. Arav, go with the ball. Come on. Elion, come, Elion, go. Kick the ball hard, man. Tackle him.
Varghese, give me one.
Tackle! Elion, tackle! Good, Satvik. Our ball, take our ball. Satvik, take ball. Our ball, Satvik. Ref, our ball, ref. Wait, Satvik, wait. Calm down. Arav, go take the kick. Arav, go take the Satvik, you're not taking.
Aryan.
Wait. Come up, come friend. Arav, here. Go for the ball.
Let's start from here.
Again, huh?
Again.
Ball went
It
outside.
didn't come. Ball. Ref, ball didn't go inside. It didn't go. So it's a re-kick.
Support there, man.
Hey, stand there, man. Hey, Apramaya, go mark him, man.
Sir.
Hey, guys, shame on you guys.
Go.
Satvik, kick the ball hard. Satvik, come on. Hey, ref, hey, Arav, Apramaya. Wait, left back. Arav, right back. Hey, come on. Hey, that's it. Play, man. Milan, go play. Go. Kick the ball.
No, Ishan, stay.
Wait. Arav, Apramaya, quick, roll, mano. Go, Vivan, go for the ball.
Let's keep the ball. Good one.
Play, guys, play, man. Hey, Apramaya, akkade hogo, ball akkade ide. Play, man, get up, man. What is the problem?
Eric.
Team required you, not playing.
Left.
Hey, Arav, kick the ball out. Hey, Darshik, focus here. Go for the ball. Go disturb him. Again, Elion, you have to play, Elion.
Varghese.
What is wrong with you, Elion?
Hey, Eric.
Hey, get ready. I thought of making Elion play. Get up. What you guys see me go.
Perfect. Answer, man.
Hey, Arav, kick the ball out inside. Kick. Kick again. Kick again.
Lux, face the ball.
Kick the ball out. Kick the ball out. Hey, Leda.
Face the ball.
ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇರಲಿ. Again. Villain, right. Right side go. Right side go. Alin, on up para, खेल बड़ा.
Come inside.
Hey, here only.
Now come inside.
Go, shoot. Come back quickly. Go back quick. Head. Up clear. What it? Jora varja.
Keep.
Our ball, take our ball. Aro, take the ball. Hey, stay back the Milan. Be active. Go back Milan, I'm telling you, stay back. Upper be active. Wait, kick the ball over his head. Ivan is going to pass. Kick the ball over his head. Listen to the referee, he's telling you to keep the ball. Keep the ball in the line. You guys are sleeping a lot. Kick the ball out. Kick. Go for the ball. Go, leave and go now. Come, stand in front of the ball. Come, stand. Hey, play, man. Hey, go now. Why are you walking? Stay ready. Go back. Hey, Takshi, get ready.
Aryan.
Arra.
2400 को मेरे को
Main play. Go, Elion.
2400 किसी से बात
Shot.
Aryan.
कौन है मेरे को पता नहीं
It's fine.
Come back.
मेरे को पहचान में नहीं आ रहा कौन है
Milan.
Yeah, Elion, come here.
Varghese up.
Go, Elion.
संडे मॉर्निंग में दो बंदे ने बुक अच्छा किसी
Stand in front of the ball. You must stand in front of the ball.
24 ठीक है
Wait,
24
go right then. Hey, come forward. Go right there.
और 9 से जो बुक किया था
Hey, be ready.
Stay. Don't go, friends. Stay.
There.
ठीक है
Go.
तुम्हारे
Go.
ओके हाँ
Kick.
24
I want a proper clearance. Look at your casual. Again,
हाँ
own
मैंने
goal.
वो बुक कर दिया स्लॉट
Tumba casual.
ओके डन हाँ तो ये जो 2 कलर पे जो नाम है वही लिख दिया मैंने
Hey. Let's go.
नाम M
Go.
ये
Go let him shoot.
जर्नलिस्ट ना किया है ना जान नाम का ऐसे कुछ है ओके
Tell what is happening. Tell me. Tell.
Eric.
You could have easily blocked. Hey, Milan. Wait, play it. Hey, give. Wait. Wait out. Milan out. Go.
Eric, move back.
Wait. Sit for it. Hey, play it, Milan. Hey, need idiot. Ball na. On is the need idiot. See that. Guys, play it. It's okay. Play. 4-all. Play. It's okay. Play. Yellow ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. Go down. Play. Win the ball. Play, man. Milan. It's coming to you. Clear the ball first.
Left.
Play. It's okay. Play. That's it. You have to save such saves. Silly goals. 3 silly goals. Aru, what are you doing?
Hey, Darshik. Ado.
On ಬಂದು ನೀನು ಹಿಡಿಯೋ ಅದೇನು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವೈ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಕಿಕ್ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಟು ಯು ನೋ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ 4-1 or 4-all ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಹೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ನೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ coming out always coming out there see casualness there 2 goals first in league 4-1 we are leading now 4-all see how the energy come back we have to come back stronger and play Elion come closer guys that's it clear there come fast come fast come fast
Where you guys went? Here.
play it's okay play be active
Varghese up. Rishan start.
be ready that's it
Rishan.
be ready he's going to kick the ball yeah go Elion
Hey, yes.
kick the ball go
Fall ball.
come you go back
Rishan up a bit.
be ready Milan leave it
Aryan.
take Arav take that's it go that's it Arav quick Arav
Rishan back.
take hard
Aryan. Look at your man.
go for the ball the ball won't come far kick hard go for the ball Elion go for the ball go good Elion go handball up Arra go for the ball
Clear.
go
ball, Karthik.
Come pass. That's it.
Lux, take your time. Lux, you can take your time with it.
Hey, play man first. Hey, you take the kick. Let him take.
Eric, come on, fine. Eric! I'm going to shove you inside the pillar, I'm going to cry. Ah, Eric! Show me what can you do over there.
Kick, quickly
Show me
kick.
what can you do over there.
Why you want one man to mark? Go for the ball.
Eric,
Leon, why are you
show me
coming?
what can you do over there. Come here.
Okay, fall back. It's okay, fall back. You guys can play better. That's it, move that side. Well, you can play better. Come on. Go.
Play.
Go. Win the ball. Good. Ellen, go. Send Elion.
Hard on Leon.
Play with Eric.
Man.
Come and stand in front of the ball. Go back now. You go back. That's it. You go back quickly.
How did you play last night?
Hey, now this side. Hey, Ivan, what are you watching?
Don't go, Glenn, stay.
Go. Head. Arav.
No. That was good. Eric was free over there. It's fine, go play.
Hey, wait. Hey, Lako, roll mara.
Varghese, Eric was
Wall mara. Watch mara. Ako, yung ako.
Kaan diya ako. Apna mein aao.
Hey, where are you passing? Hey, stop talking. Where are you passing, man? Hey, can't you catch that ball also?
play. That's what. If you do this, this is what happens.
Go, triple and go.
No.
Shoot.
Don't let him take shot. Good one. Eric, go. It's fine, Eric.
Pass the ball. Pass the ball.
Eric, are you okay?
Watch. Elian, get inside. Shoot. Pass. Clear.
Hey, play.
Play, that's it. Play, man.
Lux, Daniel.
Nishan.
Hey, Eric.
Go, that's it. Hey. Go. Left change, left. That's it out. Come on, pass. Hey, Ara, Akamaya. Umay passing.
Aryan.
Hey, come here.
Eric up. Under 11.
Go. Hey, pass.
Shoot, Arora.
Go, don't give him. Good one. Hey, let it go. Hit your ball. Eric up. Play with him. Good one, Eric.
That's it out.
Mark. Eric, keep the man in front.
Leave the ball. Keep the ball.
Okay, go behind the bed.
Come out fast. I said come out. Angako, Aru, you not come here. One ball.
Eric, look at your man. No, don't go. Hey, don't go.
Good or one up.
Too hard. It's not too hard.
Hey,
Go.
but team
Good
scored
pass.
4 goals.
Good play.
Team scored 4 goals.
Apna mein aao.
That's it.
Can you hold the ball and play? Can you catch the ball?
Good one. Varghese. So far, we did our foot.
7 more minutes.
Varghese, proper. Hey. Varghese.
You can become a hero.
Hey, Eric.
You want to play or no? Huh? Go play.
Karthik, Asim to go right.
Play, huh?
Lux, stay with him. Number 9.
Play. I'm asking you want to play or no?
Karthik, no. Lead, go.
Leave the ball and take. Leave the ball and take.
Varghese up.
Hey, come stand here, front of the ball.
Aryan.
Hey, Bharun, come here. Leon. Clear the ball, Ra.
Go before it goes down.
Wait, come.
Aryan,
Go!
Run out, go.
Ulo pe strike at pora. Release. Pass.
Good one, Varghese.
Run out.
Varghese, don't stay there.
Hey, Vivan out.
Eric, go over there. Eric, go over there. Yeah, good one, Karthik.
Go. Where is diving?
Good one, Ishan. Good one,
Take him out.
good one, Varghese. Go, Varghese, now. Varghese, come over here. Ask Eric to stand over here. Eric, Varghese, come over here.
Milan, go.
ಮಾಡಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಹೋಗಿ 10 ಜನ ಮಾಡಲಿ
Left.
change come on
Babu is also going last in game. Who's going first? They're not in game.
hey ಮುಂದೆ that's it Milan what happened hey get up go play
Eric,
don't come for next match don't come Eric you're not ready to play come on Milan
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಂದರ್ ಹೋಗಿ
Elian play Elian Silvi can play play Apramaya ಆಡೋ
ಒಂದು வேணும் நாங்க போடுறா போடுற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு போடு இன்னொரு கேபிள்
Varghese, stay behind him. Varghese, behind him.
ಆಡೋ ಹಂಗೆ
of course
go
Keep it.
hey Arav stick here
you have to work hard and not work there also work hard
Arav hey Darshan ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು
play
ಹೋಗು hey Arav
ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ರಮೇ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡು ವೇಟ್ ವಿವಾನ್ ಹಾಕೋ go for the ball good one
go
you're watching the ball take the ball ಅಪ್ರಮೇ take quick come down Vivan ಆ ball
clean center
ಅಪ್ರಮೇ ಹೊಡಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ
Eric, over here.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೊಡಿ
Go, left.
we are down by a goal ಅಪ್ರಮಯ we have to play fast
Eric, behind him. Hey, let's behind him.
Allah
Let's
Khan,
behind him.
hey.
Let's behind him. Eric, that's your ball. Eric, that's your ball.
ಏನು ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರಮಯ ಹೋಗೋ
Eric, that's your ball.
Arav
Eric, take your time, Eric.
go Milan come on Milan
Yes, come on. Now. Hey, go for. Get a bit for him.
orange
Call him.
orange
Give him green or something. Orange.
let him turn his jersey
Varghese.
turn your jersey
Run.
remove fast
Run.
turn ra just turn it.
change ಆಚೆ ಬನ್ನಿ hey start ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ
Eric, relax.
okay hey Milan watch the ball try to help him Milan
Karthik.
ಹಾಕೋ ಅಪ್ರಮೇ ಹಾಕೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾಕೋ
Left. Eric.
take hey Advik quickly move to the right or left and then roll the ball go down pass to Elian and play pass to Elian quick ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ hey ಆಡೋ ಲೇ go down hey play man ಅಪ್ರಮಯ
go Ilian
Legs is free. Eric is free. You can.
okay quick ಅಲ್ಲೇ quick ಹಾಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕೋ
Keep the ball with you.
go fast
कितने तक है मैं
बढ़िया
7 तक है ना
हाँ
7 तक बुकिंग है ना
बुकिंग है सब
अभी बुक किया मैंने
everyone come out
लेट हो
kick it
ये टीम नहीं है
बढ़िया
चालू है 10 मिनट
अप्रमय
10 मिनट 15 मिनट वो बात अलग है कितना मैच है दिया ना
go down get ready down Arav keep watching it throw the ball in
Eric, it's fine, go.
ನೋಡು ಯಾರು ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡು Elian ಹೋಗು. Elian ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾ. ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕು.
Start communication.
Go Elian. Go. What
Vishnu!
Play,
Vishnu! Can you collect it?
Attitude. Play means you have to play. Hey, go. Go. Win the ball. Go. Press. Elian, press. Come, Shiba.
Not in the middle.
Shoot.
Vishnu!
I don't know. Go inside. Darshik out. Play. Hey, आचे बारा. Go shoot.
Allah, hey! Aryan! Vishnu!
Open goal.
Come on, play. It's fine.
There around now. If you're dancing around,
It's fine, Vishnu. It's fine. Play your game. It's fine. No one is saying anything to you.
you want to play when
Play.
Understood. Be ready. Go, Ronald.
Ref.
Hey, Ronald, come out.
Shan, are you okay?
Come out.
Behind, ball behind.
Varghese. Tuck inside, Varghese.
Go, Milan, we are down
Okay,
by a
that's
goal.
all.
You have to be quick and start quickly.
Vishal, hey, Varghese, don't look outside.
Alada, avanu. Take on, man.
Eric, touch the ball.
Eric, shoot!
Eric, go.
Watch the ball. Go, shake it.